or something. So keep productive even in the middle of rain. Okay, as I mentioned before, we means that I am not alone. So here we would like to introduce ourselves first from Mia. Okay, my name is Putri. You may call me Putri.
Hai Kak Putri.
Hi, Putri.
Hey. Okay, can you hear that, smart listeners? There are boys here.
Handsome boy.
Okay. First boy. Okay, first boy.
Well, thank you, smart listener. My name is Alden Marinata. You guys can call me Alden. Now I'm a college student in the State University of Makassar. Yeah, nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, me?
Okay, please.
So, hello smart listener. My name is Farlaksan Saputra, but actually my circle, almost people call me Acang.
Oh, okay, Achang. Okay, how's your day, guys? How's your day?
It was amazing. I have a great day for today.
Oh, great day.
Yeah, great day.
Okay, how about you?
Sure, I everything feel great.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
Oh, okay.
Good day, good day.
Okay. Good day. Okay. Good to hear that, guys. Well, before we start our discussion, better maybe we introduce BPEC to the smart listeners. Who knows they want to join with BPEC? Okay, please.
Okay, smart listener. Actually, I'm as a representative here to introduce about the BPC itself. So actually, BPC is the Benteng Panjang English Club. Is the oldest community in Makassar. So actually, we always conduct in every Sunday at the 10 until 2 p.m. And yeah, actually this is free, guys. Namely is weekly Sunday meeting, and there are several items. Actually, there are 6 items we will conduct. Firstly, so who am I? Yeah, you can introduce yourself. Number 1, we have ice breaking. We can play a game. Number 3, we have D&D, debating and discussion. Yeah, actually, I really believe it could be improve your confidence, public speaking. Because after that, we will debating, right? And number 4, we have building skill. We'll learn about the theory about English like grammar, pronunciation, or something like that. Number 5, we have entertainment. Yeah, you can show your ability, like you wanna sing a song or you wanna show in your ability. Or something like that. And the last is we have announcement. Yeah, you can share about your information like scholarship, or you wanna invite the participant to join your party or celebration. Yeah, feel free to you. So yeah, I invite you guys to join with us every Sunday. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Achang. It was really nice information for smart listeners. So here we have newcomer. Okay, and hey, for newcomer. Okay, first, how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, good. Now introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello, smart listener. I am Samantha. As the new member of BPC.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now I am a student at University State of Makassar.
Okay.
I am in a second year.
Okay.
Majoring in English education.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Samantha. Okay, maybe we have another newcomer here. Okay, here maybe the stylist miss right here.
The youngest, yeah.
Oh, the youngest
Forever
here.
young.
Okay, forever young. Okay.
Hi, I'm Devi, a full-time mother, a wonderful wife. Thank you.
Oh, full-time mother, wonderful wife.
Yep.
Okay, and also wonderful girl in BPC.
Yeah, forever girl, yeah.
Okay. So, today we are going to discuss about sports. Okay, sport. As we know that sport is everyone's ability. Maybe one of us can do something like badminton. One of us can do sport or football or soccer or something like that. So here I have a question for sorry, Mr. Achang. I'm sorry. Okay, Mr. Achang. do you have interesting sport in your life?
Yeah, actually, I love all of the sport like badminton, basket, or especially football, right?
Okay.
Because yeah, it is very interest for us, like because we can gain healthy. We like do a sport because we exercise
Yeah,
every
yeah,
time.
yeah.
Like,
Oh,
yeah.
okay,
I
okay.
think that's all, Kak.
Okay. How about Mom Devi? What do you think?
Talking about sport, yeah, because since I was young,
Okay.
but even if I'm forever young, yeah, before I get married, means I'm a typical that sport is one of my passion because it it can refuel my negativity. I can stay health and fit.
Okay.
I don't wondering about to get ABS or
Oh,
six pack or
okay.
something like that. But
Okay.
the only my priority that I want to be
Health.
health.
Okay.
I want to be more productive by doing sport, and I have a lot of things. I have a lot of stuff sport. Especially I don't have to go out. Like I have my own equipment tools like treadmill, skipping, and Pilates sometimes.
Okay.
And when I have a time, I am doing inline skate or rollerblade with my my daughter, my two daughters,
Okay.
because we have the same passion for that.
Okay.
So no reason for not doing sport.
Yeah.
And
agree.
and about I do sport. I do workout at home 4 or 5 days in a week.
Oh.
So it's a must thing. So it means like I feel so drop when I don't do sport in a week.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it,
And I can how to say, like I can prove it. I mean I just don't talk because when someone talk about sport or something like that, it's just they okay modus or something like that. Yeah.
yeah.
But I don't have to prove it because nowadays, like you see, guys, I still can have a society, make a good circle with you. I still can make a society with you guys because what I feel young forever.
Oh.
And one of
yeah.
that indicators that is sport.
Oh.
that's it.
Okay. So sport can make us forever young. Like
forever
Mom
young.
Devi said before. Okay.
Staying with you guys, yeah, because you are about 20s and I'm 20s too from outside,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
spirit.
Yeah. Agree. Okay. How about Mr. Aldan?
Talking about sport, yeah, of course, I love sport. I was but yeah, and right now I addict to sport because every week I do sport at least twice because I have a cycle in my home, so that's why I used to use it for traveling while sport.
Okay.
Because of course sport just like release my stress. So
Oh.
that's why I love to do that.
Oh, okay. So one of the benefits of sport can release the stress.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay, nice. How about Miss Samantha?
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, talking about sports, I'm actually like far away from others because honestly, personally, I'm not really into sport.
Okay. What?
because
So sad.
because yeah, I'm not really fanatic for sport,
Okay.
but sometimes some sport could be enjoying and also joyful, exciting for me. For example, badminton, because it could be fun for us to like playing with our friends or family, hanging out with playing badminton or something like that together.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, according to your statement, guys, you doing sport based on your own interesting. For example, Miss Samantha just for fun, Mom Devi to make her young or and health, and for Achang to make him also be health, and also for Aldan to release stress. Wow. For me actually, same with Miss Samantha. Yes.
You again, yeah.
Actually, I really like playing badminton. So the only sport that I really like in my life is badminton, because it's fun.
Yeah.
It's fun. So, yeah. Okay. As I said before, you guys have your own equipment at your home to do sport and anything. So, my question is, what is the hardest sport do you ever do in your life, Mom Devi?
The hardest?
Yeah,
sport?
the hardest one.
Maybe lifting dumbbell.
Lifting dumbbell.
The heavy but dumbbell, because honestly I have a bad history about my health, that I forbidden to lift a dumbbell anymore. In 3 years past, 3 years ago, I was how to say, addict to lifting dumbbell. It's because I think I have a more muscular actually before,
Okay, before.
but because I get a bad history that is called saraf kejepit. I got a problem about that, so the doctors told me for stopping to use a dumbbell or something like that. So that's why I feel so sad actually, because dumbbell one is one of my best way to get muscular.
Oh, so now you never do it after your doctor told
Yeah,
you?
only I can do it, but only
Sometimes.
sometimes, and not so heavy. Only 2 or 3 kilos dumbbell.
Okay,
Yep.
okay.
That's it.
Okay, dumbbell, Dumbledore,
Dumbbell.
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 Oh, only dumbbell.
Only dumbbell. Dumbledore. Yeah, whatever.
Okay, how about Mr. Achang?
Okay, so actually I don't know. Cheese, it is included with the sport.
What?
Cheese.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, I think it is the hardest sport
Ah.
I was learn, because we need to think more. Right?
Okay. Oh, okay.
Brain sport.
Yeah, thing is verb, right? So it's kind of activity.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not about muscular or anything.
Yeah.
We need more like effort to
okay.
play this cheese.
You have to be smart, yeah.
Okay, and more focus.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sure. Okay, actually, chess is one of for me one of the cool sport because when I see people playing chess, I think that they must be smart.
Why?
because they need to think harder
sure.
about the how to say tactic or something.
Strategy.
Strategy, exactly, about the strategy. It's not easy, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay, how about Miss Samantha?
Okay, for me, mostly all of those words is hard for me because I just like badminton because it is the easiest one for me.
But you need to take a time and going outside to leave your home,
Yes.
to take a time to do badminton
Yes,
in a yard,
actually.
in a hall.
But if we talking about the hardest one is for me is swimming because until right now I can't swim.
Exactly.
Because when I was like senior high school and also elementary school, there is like a courses that we have to maybe like in one semester we have to go swimming with our classmates, and the teacher like require us to do like a lot of gaya like
A lot of style.
kupu batu swimming, and I until this day I can't really how to swim properly.
Okay.
I am a amateur one actually. Amateur.
Oh, amateur. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. You're not alone. I'm here. Yes. Okay, how about Mr. Aldan?
Yeah, of course, maybe the volleyball.
volleyball is
Yeah,
the
volleyball.
hardest.
It's the hardest for me because I ever got injury in my hand because
Okay.
I don't know how to like to smash the ball or something like that. So that's why it's kind of like makes me injury. So I was ever join in the competition, like nobody's can join. So that's why I like how to say challenge myself to join.
Oh.
But unfortunately, my team was failed because of me.
Was lose, yeah?
Yeah, because I don't know how to play. When the ball is coming, when I smash the ball and then it's like it goes to another place.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's kind of hard for me to play volleyball.
Oh,
And,
okay.
and the another one is basketball.
Oh, basketball. Why?
Maybe because I seldom play it or I've never played it at all, so that's why I'm not into it because it's kind of hard. Like, but football is easy for me because I used to play football, but because sometimes if we used to play with leg, so it's hard for us to play with hand. So that's why it's kind of hard for me to play basketball.
Oh.
It's the first.
Especially to how to say
Using
to put the ball into
The basket.
yeah the basket the
The
ring.
basket.
That's
Oh.
I tried many times.
Oh.
I tried many times. It's
Oh. It's like you lost your focus, yeah?
I lost my focus
Yeah.
maybe. So it takes time. Maybe
Okay.
I put it, but it's just lucky.
Lucky ball.
Lucky ball.
Win-win solution.
Okay. But for me, myself, the hardest one is badminton. I'm sorry, Miss Sam. Because maybe I just watch badminton a lot. So for me, badminton is the hardest one because they need to think about the strategy. And the second one is they need to big effort to, for example, to do the smash, to do netting, to and do anything like for example like holding the enemy's smash. Yeah, it's really for me it's really hard to do because for example the field of badminton is quite how to say luas, wide.
Yeah, wait.
It's quite wide, and then for example the single man or single woman have to play head to head, and then they need to go up, they need to go forward and back, and then run to take the ball, and so on. So for me, yeah, that's
So
the
you prefer play with single or double?
double.
you need a partner.
I need partner. It's so sad to be alone. Yeah. Being single is very hard.
Punas belag.
Single is very hard.
Yeah, being single is very
Just no one
hard.
care, yeah.
What?
No one care.
Okay.